Fa un dia molt lleig i hem de pujar aquí a la muntanya per fer classe. Sí que és un pal. Letícia, comenta.
You go and I'll be okay. I can dream the rest away. It's just a little touch of fate, it'll be okay. It sure takes its precious time, but it's got rights and so have I. I turn my head up to the sky, I focus one thought at a time. I do not let the little thieves undo my tightly buttoned sleep. It couldn't be a longer time, I feel like I am walking blind. I have no arrival time, there are no legible signs. There are no legible signs. I like the way that you talk, I like the way that you walk. It's hard to recreate such an individual gait. You wait your turn in the queue, you say your sorries and thank yous. I don't think you're ever 100% in the room. You're not in the room. You're not in the room. Deepest of the dark nights, here lies the highest of highs. Neapolitan dreams stretching out to the sea. You wait your turn in the queue, you say your sorries and thank yous. I don't think you're ever 100% in the room. You're not in the room. You're not in the room.
Bueno, està passant aquí que ens han comentat això de que no tenim primera hora d'evolució i la gent aquí a veure, un colori, una alegria. Ja ho estàs veient, recordant aquí, immortalitzant la gent que es queda.